Imagine having the power to predict the future of your business, to make decisions with absolute confidence, and to outsmart your competition at every turn. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? In today's world, data isn't just a byproduct of doing business. It's the fuel that drives success. Welcome back to Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel, and in this tutorial, we're going to explore how business analytics is transforming companies, big and small, by turning raw data into powerful insights. So whether you're looking to skyrocket your career or take your business to the next level, stick around because the future starts now. To start, let's understand what we mean by business analysis. At its core, business analysis is the practice of enabling change in an organization by defining needs and recommending solutions that deliver value to stakeholders. Think of it as the bridge between business problems and technological solutions. Businesses are more interconnected and data-driven than ever before. This means business analysis is no longer just about solving problems. It's about anticipating them, understanding market trends, and staying ahead of the curve. It involves digging deep into data to understand what's working, what's not, and what could be improved. For example, imagine you're working for a retail company that's struggling with customer retention. Through business analysis, you would assess customer feedback, sales data, and market trends to identify why customers are leaving, and then recommend strategies to improve loyalty. It's about using data to drive decision-making and create real value. But it doesn't stop there. Business analysis also involves aligning these insights with the company's goals. It's not just about finding any solution, but the right solution that supports the long-term strategy of the business. This strategic approach is what makes business analysis so powerful. Now that we know what business analysis is, let's talk about the person who makes it all happen, the business analyst. So, who exactly is a business analyst? And what do they do? A business analyst is a professional who acts as a liaison between different stakeholders in an organization. They work closely with business leaders, IT teams, and sometimes even customers to ensure that business needs are properly understood and met. In simple terms, they translate business needs into technical solutions. But there's more to it than just playing translator. Business analysts are problem solvers, strategists, and communicators. They're the ones who take a deep dive into the data, understand the context behind the numbers, and come up with actionable insights. They are the driving force behind informed decision-making. In 2024, the role of a business analyst has evolved. With the advent of AI and advanced data analytics tools, they now have access to more data than ever before. This means they're not just gathering information, they're interpreting complex datasets, identifying patterns, and predicting future trends. They're also key players in digital transformation projects, helping businesses implement new technologies smoothly and effectively. So, in a nutshell, a business analyst is someone who uses their analytical skills, business knowledge, and communication abilities to ensure that a company's projects align with its strategic goals and deliver real value. Let's get into the day-to-day of a business analyst. What do they do? Their roles and responsibilities can vary depending on the industry, but here are some common tasks you'll see. First is identifying business needs. This is the first and perhaps most crucial step. The business analyst meets with stakeholders to understand the goals of the business and the challenges it's facing. They ask the right questions to get to the heart of the issue. Next is gathering requirements. Once the needs are identified, the business analyst gathers and documents the requirements needed to address those needs. This might involve working with IT teams to understand technical constraints or collaborating with business leaders to align goals. Next is data analysis. This is where the business analyst dives into the data. They use various tools and techniques to analyze data, identify trends, and draw meaningful insights that can inform business decisions. For instance, they might look at sales data to figure out why a particular product isn't performing as expected. Next is solution design. After analyzing the data and gathering all the requirements, the business analyst proposes solutions. This could be a new business process, a software solution, or a strategic initiative. The key is that the solution must address the identified needs and be feasible within the company's resources. Last one is implementation support. Finally, the business analyst works with the implementation teams, often IT, to ensure that the solution is rolled out smoothly. They might also be involved in training staff or helping to troubleshoot issues that arise during the implementation. As you can see, the role of a business analyst is quite comprehensive. It requires not only analytical skills, but also a deep understanding of business operations, technical know-how, and strong communication skills to bring it all together. Now, let's talk about the skills you need to succeed as a business analyst. With the role becoming more complex and data-centric, a well-rounded skill set is essential. Here are the key skills every aspiring business analyst should focus on. First is analytical skills. This is the bread and butter of business analysis. You need to be able to analyze large data sets, identify patterns, and draw actionable insights. Tools like Excel, SQL, and data visualization software are your best friends here. Next is communication skills. Remember, you'll be the bridge between different parts of the organization. Being able to clearly convey complex ideas to both technical and non-technical stakeholders is crucial. This also includes active listening, so you can fully understand the needs and concerns of your stakeholders. Next is problem-solving skills. Every project comes with its challenges, and a good business analyst knows how to approach problems creatively and strategically. This involves not just finding a solution, but the right solution that fits within the company's resources and aligns with its goals. Next is technical knowledge. While you don't need to be a coder, having a good understanding of the technology your company uses is important. This might include knowing the basics of database management, understanding how different software solutions work, or even having some familiarity with coding if your role requires it. Often, the least is project management. Often, business analysts need to manage their own time and projects. This means keeping track of timelines, managing resources, and ensuring that projects stay on course and within budget. These skills are more important than ever. The rapid pace of change in technology and business means that business analysts need to be adaptable, continuously learning, and ready to tackle new challenges as they arise. If you can master these skills, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful business analyst. And that wraps up our introduction to business analytics. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and now have a clearer understanding of what business analysis is, the role of a business analyst, and the skills needed to succeed in this exciting field. In the next video, we would learn about the first step in business analysis, that is understanding the business requirements. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.